Your Grand Island, Hastings, and Kearney local forecast with meteorologist Kit Kloinger.
We'll take a look at this hail video from just south of Interstate 80 on Highway 14. This was around about 10 minutes until 5 o'clock this afternoon. You can even see hail fog which formed because of all of the hail that's accumulated. This is on Highway 14, and you can hardly see the road. It looks like it's a blizzard out there with how much hail accumulated. Aurora saw a similar scene with even some reports of up to tennis ball size hail with that storm around Hamilton County and into Clay County as well. This was shot by Tim Jones. But right now, pretty clear evening out there. We're starting to see it clear out at least. Grand Island hasn't seen a whole lot of severe weather action. It stayed mostly outside of that area. However, in Hastings, we did get reports up to ping pong ball size hail, so that's just about 1.25 inches in diameter. 58 degrees right now in Grand Island, 57 for Hastings. A little bit warmer there in Kearney. Some of the rain-cooled air has cooled us down just a bit quicker here for the 281 corridor, but only 61 degrees there in Kearney right now. That severe thunderstorm watch has been discontinued for the entire Local 4 viewing area, so that is good. We just saw that last tier of counties in Nebraska canceled within the past 15 minutes or so. So we are now in the clear, and all clear can be sounded, but it is continuing into Kansas, and we've had reports of hail, damaging winds, and tornadoes all the way down into Texas this afternoon. So we've had a lot of activity. Now we're starting to see things wrap up this evening. But looking on the satellite and radar loop, we do still see a few final showers just off towards the far south there in Jefferson and Gage County, but things are starting to quiet down. Looking a little bit closer on the Local 4 Doppler radar, Lincoln did see a secondary shower roll through just a little bit ago, but that has tapered off. But let's go back to around 5:30 to 6 o'clock. This is earlier today, so this is not active radar velocities, but we do see that a couplet that went through the Lincoln proper area. Several couplets actually were formed on this. They're a little bit difficult to pick out, but several reports of damage and even a tornado was reported outside of Malcolm, and all of these reports of damage to buildings, some damage to completely damaged buildings, some roofs damaged, some trees damaged. All of these reports will have to be analyzed by the National Weather Service to determine if it was the tornado that was possible or if it was the damaging winds, because the Lincoln Airport recorded a wind gust of 87 miles per hour. So some of these could be from just the wind, some could be rotational winds which made that damage. That'll have to be reported over the next day or so. But let's take a look at the radar estimated hail over the past several hours this afternoon. We've had a lot of hail rolling through our area, especially through Hamilton County. This is all the hail reports we've had across our area. There was a funnel report towards the northwest of Aurora. Some videos I've seen show a little bit of ground circulation, but it was very quick and did not last very long. So at best, we had a funnel there in Hamilton County. Temperatures across the area right now starting to cool down. That cold front, which sparked off all of those thunderstorms today, has moved through. And earlier last week, it was looking like it would be a little bit delayed, but as we got closer, it looked like it was going to move through even sooner, and that's exactly what it did. So we got up to 80 degrees here for the Tri-Cities today, and we're not going to be seeing 80 for quite a while. As we head over the next couple of days, we are going to be seeing even more rain coming through and possibly some more thunderstorms as we head through our Monday. So this is around 3:15 in the afternoon. We could see a cluster of some thunderstorms again rolling through southern and southeastern Nebraska, but overall it looks like it will be less severe than what we had today. As we head into Wednesday, though, we could be seeing some even more rain coming through our area, but a lot of widespread rain is expected over the next several days. Tonight, though, we'll see those temperatures dropping down even into the 30s for Ainsworth, but notice how much cooler it is around our area. We'll be seeing those temperatures only getting up to around 60 degrees. That might be a little bit of an erroneous number there for Grand Island. Likely only be seeing those temperatures into the 60s across our area for the next several days. 3-day forecast now, we'll see those temperatures actually cooling off even further down into the 50s for the next several days. And then by the weekend, we'll start to dry things out. We've got a long period of rain coming up, Shannon. So as we head into next weekend, we'll actually be getting closer to 70 degrees, a little bit more close to average. But it was kicking off this rainy week with a lot of severe weather. It's fortunate we haven't heard of any injuries today, but lots and lots of hail and even some tornado reports.
Yeah, it's been a very busy day for weather, and I had my first experience of Nebraska hail at the station. It was just pounding on the roof, so I'm glad.
Yeah, I was doing some severe weather cut-ins for that tornado warning, and started to hear that rain coming down, and then we had ping pong ball size hail at the station coming down. So I have christened my car with a few hail
little
dents.
dents, yeah. All right, well, thank you so much, Kit. And